AI can be extremely powerful and useful. Generative AI can solve lots of kind of communication problems and really improve efficiency and take some of the basic kind of communication tasks out of your remit so you can focus on the more complex ones. But the challenge if we use AI a lot is that we're forgetting one of the fundamental aspects of communication, because communication isn't just about transmitting information from one person or one point to another, which AI is really good at. It's also about building relationships. It's about sharing something about your personality. It's about building trust. And all those things help life in the workplace go more smoothly and help us work really well with colleagues. So if you outsource all your communication to AI, you're kind of removing that human element. And research does show us that if people suspect they've received a message that's been crafted or generated by AI, it kind of undermines what they think about the person who sent it, and they actually start to think, well, that person's not putting in very much effort. And so you can actually ruin your business relationship with someone if they think you're using AI. But also, you actually will be not working with them so effectively, because if you're using AI all the time, you're not taking the time to get to know that person or to build that relationship, and that will harm your performance in the workplace going forward. So there's a really simple concept, which is the sort of sandwich concept, where you would start with human input. So you'd start by thinking through what you need for this piece of communication, and you'd kind of think about the context and everything. Then you'd brief AI, and you'd leave AI to kind of make the meat in the sandwich, to do the chunk of work that is going to help save you time, but doing that based on a very good brief from you. And then when you get back your results, then you end the final layer of the sandwich is ending with human refinement. So you go through and you obviously check AI for accuracy, but you also go through and kind of make sure that what's generated sounds like you. You inject a bit of personality, humour if it's relevant, and you really kind of make it sound like this message has come from you, so that you're continuing to build a relationship with whoever you're communicating with.